Now people know my brand by name. The future's coming, whether you approve or not. I'm still cooking, still serving